Alright, we're out here at San Jacinto. We came out alone. Change of plans, called an audible. Didn't go for deer. Decided to come for duck because the forecast says it's going to rain all morning. I was lucky, thank God. Pulled number 7 off the sweat line today, so we got pond 3. So we're going to give pond 3 a try. We're over here below the mountain. We'll see how it goes. We have the Spoonzilla, and some decoys that we're going to take. It's just me today, so it might be kind of light, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, talk to you soon. Bye. There's some guys right there. They're pretty close. Oh, we had a bird come over. Took 2 shots and they weren't very good at all. But at least we got shots, I guess. That's the worst call I've ever heard. Alright, we moved. We're still a little bit within 25 yards of the pole. It's over there. This looks like an area where a lot of people have sat, so I'm going to take it as that. We still have the wind to our backs, and we're hiding in a bush. So we're doing everything right. It's just a matter of, will they fly now or will they fly in an hour? There's a lot of movement around, and there's a big flock that flew over that I didn't sky blast. I avoided it, but I don't have my calls on me, and we're a little bit too far away right now to go get them. He pulled up. Alright, I moved Spoonzilla. He's right there through the trees. I put him up there because I've been watching them fly, and when they come in, they're like right over this levee. They're like basically covering the levee and then dropping in, or they're covering the levee and banking out. So I'm trying to get them flying. They're flying this way today, so we'll see if it works. These guys have done really well, and those guys over there have done really well. There goes a bird towards it, so we'll see. Overall, I'm kind of frustrated with the wind shifted a lot. It's now coming towards us. So they might start coming from behind me, but it's a good thing I moved the decoy because the mojo's over there working into the wind, so we'll see. We're hiding in some good cover behind this bush. Well, oh, come on. That bird was turning. These are probably the best conditions for duck right now, as good as it gets here. Rain on a Saturday, mid-morning, supposed to last for like 2 or 3 hours. There's no wind, the one thing that we probably need. And I think because of that, there's no birds. They're just not moving. There's like one shot over there. And then we're gonna wait another 5 minutes and there's another shot somewhere else. It's bad land management by the state of California. I don't think it's just San Jacinto. I would like to see the numbers from other wildlife refuges. How are they doing? But I just, for as environmentally conscious as the state is, it's just shocking that there's this few birds this late in the year. I know it's been a warm year and I know that there's migration problems, but this is the third storm now. Third big storm that we've had. Anyway, interesting. Alright, they're starting to move. Let's see. What's really killing me today is I don't know why I'm having trouble aiming. I'm having trouble getting shots off correctly. I'm getting good looks. I've had 7 good looks. If I was hitting anything, I'd get 7 birds. But yeah, no, not today. Anyway, so see how we do. We'll keep wrapping it up here. The rain's supposed to continue all day. I got more shells in the car. Learned a lot today. Basically, pond 3 sits like maybe 100 yards away from the one right above it, and the blind that killed was W. W killed today. C also did well. I've never hunted C. I think C was open when I got there. I could be wrong on that. It's rough because basically every time they're shooting at a bird, it's a bird you're looking at. So if you're seeing a bird, it's going right over them, which is giving them a better opportunity to shoot. So that part sucks. And then the other blind, well, it's maybe 200 yards away, so maybe you have a little bit more of a flyway if they can sneak through between them. If it goes over this direction, away from the mountain, it goes through 2 blinds over there, at least. Pond 2, and then I think it's C. So it's rough. Pond 3, I don't know. When I took it today, the guy said, "Why do I want it?" And I just said, "I don't know." But anyway, I just went off of experience. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked and subscribed. But thanks. We'll see you probably next year. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get out again, so this could be the last duck hunt for the year for me. Just a busy year. A lot going on. All right, take care.